Hi, I'm Dr. Charlene. Today, I want to share a real story with you all. One woman came into my clinic and she sat quietly in front of me for a few seconds before saying this to me. Doctor, I feel very upset with my life now. I was so shocked. I asked her what happened and she told me something that she never really shared openly before. For almost 4 years, she had been having the issue of urine leaking whenever she laughed, sneezed, or even when she tried to exercise. And slowly, this has changes her life. She stopped going out as much, not because she don't want to go out with her friends, but because every outing has become stressful for her. Every time before she leave the house, she would think, where is the toilet? What if I can't make it in time? What if I leak in the public? Imagine carrying that fear every single day. She was 38 years old with 2 kids. And she thought that was normal after giving birth. And she thought she would just have to live with it. But when I told her, this is actually something we can treat, immediately her eyes filled with tears. Because for 4 years, nobody had told her that before. Nobody had told her that she didn't have to suffer it silently. Nobody had told her she don't need to tahan all by herself. So we started treatment. Within 1 month, all her symptoms were gone. Yes, within 1 month. The woman who have lent her lives around the toilets have felt free again. I'm sharing this story today because I know many women are going through this silently. If you are watching and thinking, that sounds exactly like you, please hear this from me. You don't have to accept this as normal. You don't have to adjust your life around this problem. And you definitely do not have to go through this alone. Sometimes the first step is simply asking for help. DM us, share your story with us, and let us help you.